What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois, and today I'm bringing you a new video on this new arrival 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Really nice hugger orange paint with white stripes. It's got Z28 badges on it, big block 454 powered. Let's dive deeper into it. First, let's start off with the engine bay. Really clean underneath here. Smooth and firewall, painted nicely. Inner fender wells look great. Nice aluminum radiator, stays cool. Engine's got some good work done to it. Nice intake manifold. Holley Sniper EFI. Nice cam headers. Really nice running engine. Disc brakes. It's got a cowl induction hood, 2-inch houndstooth interior with a 4-speed manual transmission. Very cool 4-speed big block cruiser right here. The paint in pretty good shape, really presentable. All your trim is there and in the correct places. Like I said, somebody had put Z28 badges on it. It does have US mag wheels with Michelin tires, 18-inch. Disc brakes, like I said before. You got drum in the back, though. Just a very clean and presentable first-gen Camaro, especially a 69. Dual exhaust underneath there. Let me go through what works and what does not work real fast. By the way, here's your trim tag right there. That's your trim tag. Doors open beautifully, might I add. Only flaw in the interior is the window roll-up knob is prone to falling off. You got your Holley Sniper EFI controller right there. Let's try the lights. Oh. Wiper. Washer does not work. I could hear the motor, but I hear that it does not. It's not dispensing anything. Custom steering wheel. 3-pod gauges. Bluetooth radio. Hurst shifter. Beautiful houndstooth bucket seats. Let's fire this baby up. Actually, let's check the lights first. And then let's fire this baby up. Turn on the blinkers. Your blinkers do work as well as your tail lights. All your side marker lights do work. Your headlights work with your blinkers. So that all works. Let's move the seat up here. I'm a little short. Give this thing a fired up. Takes a little bit to warm up. It is a pretty rowdy big block Chevy. You could hear this thing. There's your gauges there. Looks like the volts is not working. Water temp probably working. Like I said, this thing is pretty cold. Oil pressure looking good. Not sure how to work that. I believe it works. I do not hear a blower motor, so I assume that that was disabled. And there's no heater core, so of course it ain't gonna work. Just realized that. But there's your Sniper. Let's baby off. As you can hear, it sounds great. All the important stuff works. Your horn doesn't work though. All your lights, blinkers work. Just pop the trunk here. Opens nicely. Floor's really nice, really clean. Whoever did this car did a great job. I'm gonna have more photos and a detailed description on the website, so be sure to check that out. All of the other inventory we have. This car is located at our beautiful warehouse in Addison, Illinois. Here it is. We have around 250 classic cars in stock, ready to go. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. We offer a full service center for any mishaps or anything you want taken care of on the vehicle. But our cars are sold as is, so talk to your sales representative about a service quote. Let's put the key back. Everyone have a great day, everyone. I hope to see you here soon at MGM Classic Cars. Our business phone number is 847-848-1850. We are open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only. So be sure to stop on by. Check out the website, mgmclassiccars.com, or give us a call. Again, our number is 847-848-1850. Have a great day, everyone. And remember, this car sure looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Let's get this baby out to someone. Have some 4-speed Camaro, big block fun. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Mr. Jenkins out.